Today I'm going to give you 5 do's and don'ts to help make the mortgage process as smooth and minimally painful as possible. How's it going, everybody? Dane Anar here, mortgage loan officer for Mortgage Lending Group here in the state of Washington. As most of you know or have at least heard by now, mortgage interest rates are plummeting. What does that mean for you? Well, it means that it's time for you to possibly refinance or buy that house that you've been dreaming of. Now, I'll do another video on why refinancing may be beneficial to you, but today I'm going to give you 5 do's and don'ts to help make the mortgage process as smooth and minimally painful as possible. First off, do have all of your paperwork that your lender will need for you. That paperwork is going to be your W-2s, your tax returns for the last 2 years, and 60 days of pay stubs, along with a copy of your ID. Now, if you're purchasing a home, you'll also need 60 days of your bank statements as well. Secondly, do live your life as usual. Pay your bills, go to work, basic adulting tasks. Now, I know that there are days that we don't want to adult, but for the next 30 to 60 days, it's going to take to close on your home. Suck it up and adult as best as you can. Thirdly, do make sure that all of your income and any money that you're bringing to the table has a paper trail. What do I mean by a paper trail? Well, I mean that it can be sourced, as in you're not laundering money, as in it's verifiable income, because we don't do illegal things anymore. Fourthly, do trust your mortgage broker. And when I say trust your mortgage broker, I really mean trust your gut and intuition. It is our fiduciary responsibility as mortgage lenders to ensure that you are not putting yourself into a bad situation. And fifthly, lastly, whatever the word that we're going to use is, please do be patient. Because of historically low interest rates right now, a lot of people are taking advantage of this opportunity, just like you're probably wanting to do the same. Now, while the mortgage process typically takes 30 days on average, right now, it can take 45 to 60 days. But now that you've gone through all of the things that you need to do, let's talk about the things that you should not do. 1, do not finance anything or even apply for new credit during the home buying or refinancing period. Every time you have your credit pulled, it takes your credit score down a couple points. Now, those couple of points can be a make it or break it for a loan to go through, and if you finance something, that extra payment that you just created can create a hassle for your debt to income ratio and a headache for the underwriters on your file and a headache for yourself. Secondly, do not quit or get fired from your job unexpectedly. This kind of goes back to the whole, keep adulting thing. It's pretty self-explanatory. Thirdly, do not lie about your finances and income to your lender. Look at it this way. Underwriters are looking for any reason to not give you $250,000 or more. It is their job to comb through your finances to ensure that every penny is legitimate and that you can afford to make your monthly mortgage payment every single month. Fourthly, don't miss any payments on any of your credit cards or loans. One missed payment can drop your credit score significantly, and that can completely ruin the entire loan process. And lastly, don't disappear. There are plenty of people working on your file behind the scenes, and if you disappear, that's just rude, and you've wasted a lot of people's time that you can't get back, and that's just not nice at all. I hope that this video was informative to you. I know that a lot of this is common sense, but unfortunately, common sense isn't so common these days. What else would you like to know about the mortgage process? Make sure to leave your comment down below. And if you have any questions or want to see a new video on something about the mortgage process, leave that in the comments below as well, and I'll make another video about it. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. My name is Dane Anar, mortgage loan officer for Mortgage Lending Group here in Washington. If you're interested in refinancing your home or purchasing your first home, second home, maybe your 10th home, I would love to work for you, and my contact information is somewhere on this screen, and I'll also post the information down below in the description. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great day. Let's go get some coffee soon. Cheers, everyone.